Hey friends, I'm David, and I've slept in the back of my 4Runner for over 140 nights, and I absolutely love traveling this way. I'll be sleeping right here next to the lake, just a couple feet from the awesome views. I'll be making some beef pasta tonight. I need a really good meal because this is gonna be an awesome journey tomorrow. I can't wait. Yeah, see, this is the kind of spot that I love to camp in. This is nice and tucked away off like a bunch of main roads. It's a little bit rocky to get here, but not too crazy. No one's gonna pass because there's a gate on the other side that's locked. I love when I can park my truck right next to the scenic views, wake up right to it, make food right with it. That is the best. I'm gonna get some much needed relax here before tomorrow, and I'm gonna make some beef pasta tonight. Can't wait, it's gonna be super delicious, and enjoy it here on the lake. Gonna sleep right here next to the lake, I can't wait. Although on the way here, we caught that, so that is not good, especially because we're going to 4,200 elevation tomorrow night. This is not that crazy elevation, but tomorrow night's site and video is going to be quite a bit high in elevation, so I don't know if that's going to spread. It looks like it's already spreading. It's like real smooth from the inside. It looks like worse than it is, but it's gonna need to be replaced, I think. So screw it, if it's gonna need to be replaced, why postpone a trip? So worry about that later. Yeah, I've never been to this lake. I like the Shenandoah Valley a lot. It's definitely not one of the nicer spots on the East Coast. But man, this lake is so clear and beautiful. I'm very happy to be here. Found some fresh bagels on the way in. We have some pasta to cook up tonight. And man, just an absolute beautiful, beautiful little campsite, little lake scenery. Can't wait to show this all off to you guys. We'll explore. There's some woods up here. There's some campsites. There's a road that way, but there's a gate that's blocking it. Let's explore one of these little paths. You can see the lake really nice from up here. See the car poking through. But yeah, man, that water looks so good from up here and from down there. Let's go see what the earth dam is like. We're on top of the earth dam. This is this awesome big stone wall. And then we have the wonderful main view. The campsite is down there, or just around that bend. We are on top of this cool earth dam. And then there's a really sharp or steep hill that I would not want to go down. But yeah, the dam's doing a good job because that's all dry. And it's beautiful. All right, lower that, lower that. Okay, let's check this. Yeah, it looks pretty good. See, if you cook it nice and slow, it doesn't stick. and it's nice and easy to clean up. All right, we'll let that brown up a little bit more and then we'll cook the pasta. Okay, who am I kidding? We're cooking ground beef out here. I had to shut the tailgate. It's like a bunch of bugs, but guy can dream, you know? And my friend gave me a pasta measure so I don't overcook on trips, and I don't have it because I forgot it. Because I was like, this is only a couple day trip, so I like didn't make sure I got everything, and I like don't know why I did that. And I'm pretty hungry though, so. And then one for good luck. All right, let's not litter. Don't want bears coming. Sun's poking through. Got a nice meal. Got an awesome place to sleep tonight. Just had dinner. That was delicious. Cleaned up and everything. And then this older couple walked by and they were like dropping a bunch of hints and this and that, and like that I couldn't camp here. And I was like, am I not allowed to? I just asked them straight up. I was like, am I not allowed to camp here? They were like, well, technically no, this, and they were all like shy about it. And I was like, no problem, of course, you know, I'll move, whatnot. I love to leave no trace. I love to like really respect the lands and everything. So, I mean, I've enjoyed the view. I cooked near it and everything. So, all right, let's go find a spot to sleep for the night. All right, I think if we go this way, we'll be able to find a legit campsite. Just because I don't want no problems. I like to respect stuff. Okay, this is not a campsite. We have one half safety backup spot. That's not right next to the water, so it's like not as agreed. I should have known that that spot was not what it seems, but whatever, that's my bad. Alright, we're doing a little off-roading here. Oh, I got some stuff going on. Damn, there's all sorts of like normal cars. There's an Audi A4, like an older Audi A4. Like, what is an Audi doing? There's giant potholes and some decent rocks here. What's going on with these people? I'm gonna see them tomorrow on Union Springs with the Audi. No, that's a legit road. That's a legit road tomorrow for sure. How's it going? They looked upset. They did not look happy. They did not look excited for me to be waving. That's okay. What's up, friends? I could drive up in there. I wonder if that's an option. All right, let's see. Let's check this out. This is tight, and I don't know if this is like all that much better. Friends, we just found the best campsite. It's so cozy. Man, this is a sweet, cozy little campsite. Okay, so check this out. That's it. That's the whole thing. It's the whole thing. It's like those 3 trees, this little fire pit, and that's it. I barely got in between this tree and this fire pit, and then got myself, and then it's flat, super nice. Sun is about to go down. Freak, look at the truck, dude. All right, so a little forest. We'll walk up there. We'll check that out. Oh, no more issues today. No more problems. No more issues. That just might be it. I might just say goodbye to you guys because I want to relax. I want to just take a toothbrushing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you watched till the end, I really, really appreciate it. I have so much fun making these videos. And until next time, please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, next video is going to be Union Springs. That's going to be crazy. Big off-roading obstacles. See you guys there.